Ever notice your car losing power, burning more fuel, or throwing a check engine light? Your O2 sensor might be dirty. But here's the good news. You don't have to remove it to fix it. In this video, I'll show you 7 genius ways to clean your O2 sensor without removing it and restore your engine performance fast. The O2 sensor plays a huge role in your car's fuel efficiency and emissions. When it gets dirty, your engine suffers. Let's fix that with these simple and effective methods. Method number 1, fuel system cleaner. The easiest method? Use a fuel system cleaner. Just pour it into your fuel tank. Drive normally for a few miles. It helps remove carbon deposits from the entire fuel system, including the O2 sensor. Method number 2, high RPM drive. Take your car for a spirited drive. Drive at higher RPMs, safely. This burns off carbon buildup naturally. Think of it as a self-cleaning mode for your engine. Method number 3, use high-quality fuel. Cheap fuel equals more deposits. Switch to high-quality or premium fuel. Helps keep the combustion cleaner. Over time, it reduces contamination on the O2 sensor. Method number 4, catalytic converter cleaner. Use a catalytic converter cleaner. Add it to your gas tank. It cleans the exhaust system. Since the O2 sensor sits in the exhaust stream, this helps clean it indirectly. Method number 5, fix engine issues first. If your engine is running rich or misfiring, cleaning won't help much. Fix issues like bad spark plugs, dirty air filter, fuel injector problems. A healthy engine keeps your O2 sensor clean longer. Method number 6, use additives regularly. Don't wait for problems. Use fuel additives every few thousand miles. Prevent buildup before it starts. Prevention is always better than repair. Method 7, reset ECU. After cleaning, reset your car's ECU. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes, or use an OBD scanner. This helps your car relearn proper fuel-air ratios. If your O2 sensor is too old or damaged, cleaning won't fix it. Sometimes replacement is the only solution. And there you have it, 7 genius ways to clean your O2 sensor without removing it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car tips.